This evening in Juba at BCYA complex, the Independent Electoral Committee led by Council Malir Ngangrech officially handed over application forms to the two contesting teams in the BCYA-JUBA election. Bor Development Alliance led by Elijah Manyok Jok and Bor Action for Change led by Dr. Thon Agook Adier. The submission deadline is on 13th June 2025. The registration fee is $5,000 per team. Council Malit promised to continue with transparency and regular media update as electoral process advance. Let the journey to youth-led transformation begin.
Jok ran chir candidate Elijah. In the band, by Elijah. Thank you. We call die pinum. We meet Bor on our brand Bor. Chakamot. All a court ticket. And Japan, wearing application. In your form, for receive. Among IEC. So call it BCYA complex. Wearing data receive. Kankaro any eligibility criteria. No candidate application form. I get up is the data. So final confirmation in a way when I receive officially non KC. Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. Rana Robe Ben deputy day. In a young Elijah. Welcome. Thank you. So the Kenne, they weren't looking around upon your leadership. Okay. In which I can lay work or dies, what I can get home in the form there. One of young, one of the human nature by your call will. And we go be a walk on the way Bor Development Alliance. The convent center to Bukum Kolo, Miran Pio, Chantiawa Kolo. I can ananke New Kero Kolo to on what you call Quany Gura. Go number one Quany. What's number one by Quany poem? Can I live a level called Shukra? Okay. When something I wasn't looking at. Sure. Hey, and we call die pin them. You're we bore there. Yen Pichal long and good job, the HB. Wa thì wo cái gì hôm nay đã có một bet bên nhà phía là chùa bên mà wo có bên đai cái chùa cái lớn này cái các bố là lối là bố là lối chứ bố cái bây giờ mai xí cái bà con cái mà mình với cái list information later English and learn.
Kor kunang voters, kor kunang all the stakeholders of Bor community. Chan be chwer bula twing smoothly. Woki beban be tin be yak yu gam be yak richu tig. Ba wabla twing a piat when to call it and link Bor community.
The same way of my chairman. Chairman, you're welcome.
Hey, thank you. So can I form the indicator? Let me be another alone. You are not in another alone. In a cake, but working.
Kitwing, I see a chain authorized to confirm and understand the form application form you receive. I will record die application I shall receive.
So lawyer John. Thank you. In Barba create deputy to Balomea. Can I create deputy?
So I create deputy I receive. I will get a confirm I shall.
Thank you.
Yeah, I told Chola Queneria.
No, when a secretary, a former secretary.
And management, I see a challenge. Yola media, Chivan Katia. Upan Boro Chakamot. Never confirm it on way, none I then to form the loan. Who campaign that with job. Nale job. Pick up a jog will piat. I will chill later. I will go pan board when pan board let me. Sugar and one.
They line when we're in a bay. Couldn't catch out any in. A penny here would yak. Timeline or let's say metric. A boom or can we communicate it on way and see time when you be interrupted.
We check a model there with team Thon Agook. Who we call media, we talk Bor community, call BCYA, Jala all the stakeholders of BCYA. Piate cool. Watch application forms at your gam Benaman aspirants, okay, children. Now, no around that you do, maybe I take a court cadet. Have you young wood boy you? Chalwani upon board. A pan you walk your good. You want a ledge. pa yi war gam ko le ke piat ko le kraj bu loy pioner kale we ko ci ban man ku be chule team twing ne team Elijah mana de ke bu loy ban abu yi jira ban bi nga ya luiti twade ai ci le to ko twa ka be twa ke ni ban chini ke assurance in ku we pan bo ke kor ko ke piat ku bi wo be ago mana de ke chlo ya bede watch na assurance ne don team ni dictor Thon Agook mana de chin complications lu ke expect so chu le ke ne don en we pan bo ke kor ku na we ke cooperation a chan ko churu ping ke ka lu ya pet wo kor support na we ko aspirants wo kor support na campaign teams and agents work or support non voters ku all the stakeholders ke BCYA a chan bula twenga pet pa what you got a man chaman ne chen molana chen lwel election process matrix abu dia ke gam ku we abu mar bi a chan agu nga go nang schedule ku ye ka bulo yetit we chakale
we ko to online yaga ko bur ka yal ko che ko bur yal ko junu Sudan kurane ke ni junu Sudan ko da yen ko chu ke mo an che we ti media ya a cha ke mo or yer kenen tene IT member che na to galiu mar ko ke bi ko che ke da tem wen ke di wen ata kan kai long e deputy dia ko ka ka ko ben ngadi barai members ke IEC that is for BCYA 2025-2027 ke chu wak be ko la ta chu loy won ter wona ko ke kor ke long e Elijah Manyok Jok di ko Thon Agook ni wara ko ke ta ke chu se to call for application form that form achieve be ne ke requirement ke koro ke yen achieve be kre ko la application form or registration form for the candidates both side team which ben so far I team karo a team to Elijah enum team to dikor enum achu ke gam application form that application form abla bay on the 13th that application form along is $5,000 for the team check chairman to wala deputy wala secretary a team event that registration fee for $5,000 in a chu each to trunk cake in a were cool 12 cake and then come here miati kaya jwe abjal ngodo ke bo so we call media we le ke lon shalo what to 1 week
ai dictor Thon ai luen ku luen ka ke chen wanon challenges on in IEC kuka ka ye ke kor ba ke town ni ne da de one of the things that is trending on social media is qualification. So how are you going to handle that?
Well, for the qualification, abla ben can form. That form, along requirement to kick out. Those requirements, a constitution, a will constitution of BCYA, a will candidates. 3 of them, they must have a bachelor degree from a credible university.
not yet
Now, the form she ben check whether that degree or willing to be valid or not. There are mechanisms in check. Here in the lawyer authentication. Because a document from University of Juba actually be authenticated, ever verified. He authenticated outside the country. Now, I authenticated it right. But I can authenticate it verification online along the way. In the kittle manufacturing to answer thing. So now long difficulties. Sometime now, if you write a letter to a country like Australia, for example, Krakow, she university actually do them because it's illegal. But there is a way they'll be a check. University to ga kurtine online ba yuna na daga runa ga token yinga so I difficulties ga tawara but I'll abo ke mechanism kana nyi ke